Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne, of course. And he stated that he comes with a heavy heart because when he remembers his childhood growing up in Jamaica, it's a totally different situation that's happening now. So he's going down memory lane, and with all the killings and stuff that has been going on, he's been, feeling a bit away about the situation, how our little island has turned out to be. It's
Shouldn't say I come with a heavy heart today. I really come with a heavy heart. Some sadness, some joy at the same time, And I'm very sure if you are Jamaican, I'm very sure a lot of our hearts is heavy today too. This ain't for no damn clout. Not for no chastise people. We live in a wicked world, people. We live in a wicked world. First and foremost, I'm going to ask all of my prayer people, them. I know it's enough prayer people that on my page. I can call out to the name Rosalie, Evangelist. All of you know who can pray. Pray for the little island. Pray for the little island, because no amount of prayer is too much. No amount of prayer is too much. Babisha, this is not the time to laugh. Babisha, and a time to laugh. Babisha, there's a time and place for everything. And the life is not the one there. This life is not the one there, darling. Big up yourself though for coming on the live. Where do I start? Jamaica is not the country when me remember as a young kid. As a young kid growing up in Jamaica, people could have left their houses open, come back, and nothing would have been missing. Me as a young kid, me and my siblings, my cousin, we used to run all about the place, and trust me, no harm would have come to us, no harm at all, because when I was a kid, the people them say them have to protect we. What happened to them days of when we was young children growing up in Jamaica? Why people nowadays, it's like killing people, and all of them kind of wicked acts. It's now become a norm in Jamaica. Me feel like enough people them take up more than what them can chew. Like, listen, when I was a kid, right? Everybody got church. Everybody go to church. Everybody go to Jamaica now. Go to Jamaica now. You're lucky. You're gonna be lucky. If you see people get up on a Sunday and say them go to church, go worship God. Come hell or high house or high water, or even once I might be saying it wrong. Every Sunday my granny used to wake up 7 o'clock in the morning and say no go bed at church time. And you think none of us could have given her no back check when I gone to church? We couldn't. We have to go to church. Enough for the people in Jamaica now, all them believe in a badness, proving things. This is when all the young girl them who na suck satches and them front Listen, me know say enough on upon this live right now. Remember on a childhood in Jamaica. Remember on a childhood, it was never like this. It was never like this how it is today. People afraid for walk down the street. People afraid to come out to them house at night time. People afraid for y'all. Listen, if you look at Jamaica now, most houses have an, what you call it something there? Burglar bars on them. When they look a picnic, them the things they never they bought. Them things was never about because the people them where we live was safe, secure for everybody. I want to look a country. Where did we go wrong, Jamaican people? Where did we go wrong? Which part we go wrong? Which part we go wrong? Why all of a sudden the people them want to come kill? Listen, don't to all the little young baby them not safe. Don't to all the little young babies are not safe. This break my heart. This break my heart. And listen, me can't talk for Una, me can't talk for myself. It broke my heart. 7 children, 7 different minds. Right? One hand can't clap. Karen, big up yourself. I say all the preacher them, the pastor people them, I like gonna sell on the soul. Enough preacher people in Jamaica, them sell them soul for money, monetary gain. You think, listen, growing up as a kid, every Saturday there was some kind of baptism going in, especially in the countries, especially in the country area them. And trust me, down a river the people them go down the river, go baptize. And me come close baptize one time in Jamaica, me not tell no lie. Me down in the river and I like something to come over and say, Dwayne, go in the water and me start shout and go on myself. Me swear to God. Why me could come to stay so now? Some places you're afraid to go to some places because you don't know what go on and try to kill you off and the people in a place where you don't know. Some places in Jamaica me don't go for a reason because I'm afraid. And it should not be like this. It shouldn't be like this. It shouldn't be like this. We need to go back to our roots, people, Jamaican people, people who still on the island. We need to go back to our roots. Go back into the house of the Lord. Go give your life to the Lord. Give your life to God. And I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little bit harsh right now. Go back to your roots, Jamaican people. Can we please go back to our roots? Make sure that our forefathers them never got through all of that hassle, beatings, killings for turn out like this. Them would have cried shame away. If them did know say I saw the little island they gonna turn out, they would